changing out this carrier inducer assembly. I rebuilt this one. You can get it all in one, but they gave me the motor. There was a mistake, so I just rebuilt it. Got the blade for this cools the motor. Then we got the blower motor here, so sanded it down, popped it apart, put the gasket around here with RTV sealant. I'm going to reskim it, install it, put the Hall effect sensor on it, and we'll be good to go. Clean the flame sensor. I got one of these Subco cleaners. I was trying it out. Looks more professional than a dollar bill, so and give it a little test, see if it's worth it or not. My inducer goes right here. Just got to wire it up here. Hall effect sensor goes here. It's all installed. It's turned out really good. I was worried about the balance, but the balance is perfect. I don't know if you can see the wheel on there, but the balance is perfect. Amped out fine. The amps look great, as you can see right here. And everything back to the flame sensor. This is risky because it's better just to put the whole assembly in, but I can get it apart as long. I got the motor, so I don't care how rusty it is, I can get it apart. It's just time, but I got the customer heat, and we're good to go. We're good to go. It's a lot cleaner than what it was before, trust me. When I came on this unit, the door wasn't even installed properly. It was laying on the roof. So I got 3/8 screws. This door is not coming off now. I'm missing the hood. Look at the gas flex. This unit needs some help. It needs some TLC. But I had to get on some heat, so I'll have to come back and put a hood on there and address that gas flex, see what they want to do. Look at this right here. That's not good. That's not good at all, so. But they got heat for today, so